Alright. Yep, that looks good. This is a test for the Osmo Action 4. See how it looks when I ride. Just did the lawn. Look at that baby. Oh yeah! Looking good. Now, let's take this baby out and test it. So, let's see, enjoy this ride. Schnitzel. Alright, I guess it would be smart if I close the garage door, right? Again. Alright. So, see what the footage looks like. I gotta get gas. Might as well ride and get some gas. Let's get gas, baby! Let's get gas! Hopefully the sound is not too bad. I heard you can adjust the sound. I can't even get the gas because I don't have my wallet with me. Let's just do a quick ride then. It's still chilly. Whoops! Alright. It is a little darker in the day. Let's see how the picture looks once I'm done. I actually brought cash today to get gas. So let's test this Osmo again. So this is an Osmo Action 4 test. I changed the gain to -12. In the recording you couldn't even hear me at all. Now I changed it to -4. See if that fixed some of it. Originally was on +6 and you couldn't even hear the recording. So let's see how this sounds. Let's go for a nice little ride. Alright, you're with me in my helmet. Recording. I'm gonna do a nice little ride today. Yes.